Amygdala, the brain's emotional alarm that controls fear, stress, and survival. Have you ever felt fear before you even had time to think? That instant reaction does not come from logic. It comes from a small but powerful part of your brain, the amygdala. In this video, we will explain the amygdala in simple English with real-life examples so anyone can understand how emotions like fear, anger, and anxiety are created. What is the amygdala? The amygdala is a small, almond-shaped structure located deep inside your brain. You have two amygdalae, one on each side. Think of the amygdala as the brain's emotional alarm system. It constantly scans your environment for danger. Why the amygdala is so important? The amygdala is responsible for fear and threat detection, emotional reactions, stress response, survival instincts, emotional memories. It helps you react fast, sometimes faster than thinking. This quick reaction once helped humans survive dangerous environments. Amygdala versus thinking brain. Inside your brain, two systems often compete. The amygdala reacts emotionally and instantly. The prefrontal cortex thinks logically and slowly. When the amygdala takes control, emotions rule. When logic catches up, reasoning returns. This explains why people sometimes regret emotional reactions. Amygdala and fear. Fear is the amygdala's strongest emotion. When it senses danger, real or imagined, it triggers faster heartbeat, shallow breathing, muscle tension, heightened alertness. This is known as the fight or flight response. Amygdala and anxiety. An overactive amygdala can cause constant fear. This leads to anxiety, panic attacks, chronic stress, overthinking. The brain reacts as if danger is always present, even when it's not. Amygdala and emotional memories. The amygdala stores emotional memories. That's why traumatic events are hard to forget. Emotional experiences feel vivid. Certain smells or sounds trigger memories. Strong emotions create strong memory connections. Amygdala and anger. Anger is another amygdala-driven emotion. When triggered, it prepares the body to defend itself. Without control, anger leads to impulsive actions and regret. What happens when the amygdala is overactive? An overactive amygdala can lead to anxiety disorders, emotional instability, poor impulse control, stress-related health issues. Modern life often overstimulates this brain area. How to calm the amygdala. The good news is the amygdala can be calmed. Psychology-backed methods include deep breathing, mindfulness and meditation, slow body movements, adequate sleep, limiting stress triggers. These practices signal safety to the brain. Amygdala and emotional control. Emotional intelligence begins with understanding the amygdala. When you pause before reacting, the thinking brain regains control. Awareness creates emotional mastery. Amygdala and modern life. Social media, news, and constant alerts keep the amygdala active. This leads to emotional fatigue. Calm environments help reset emotional balance. Final message. Your emotions are not your enemy. They are signals created by the amygdala to protect you. When you understand this emotional alarm system, fear loses its power. Welcome to Psycacademy, where psychology helps you master your mind.